Yes, students. So far we have seen recruitment, meaning I told you all. Sources, internal sources we have discussed now. Yes, internal sources. This can be asked for 4 marks. Now next we'll see, okay, merits of internal source. Merits of internal source, first one is what? It is cheaper. Okay, this can be asked only for 1 or 2 marks. Merits andre advantages ಏನು internal source ಇದು cheaper. ಹೇಗೆ cheaper? ಓಕೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಈಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ದೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಚೀಪರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಓಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಚೀಪರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಮನಿ ಖರ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಓಕೆ yes demerits it may reduce productivity. How it may reduce productivity andre see when you bring a new person he is a fresh talent, new talent, isn't it? So if you bring the person who is already in the company your fresh talent may not be there alla, so productivity may come down because general perception hegide andre already old employees they will work okay good, but after some years they might not work well. But when you bring a new person ಅವನು ಒಂಥರ he'll be very eager, enthusiastic ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, so he will work very hard, so productivity ತುಂಬ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So in internal transfer internal source they won't bring the new person, isn't it? So this may reduce the productivity ಅಂತ demerit. Okay, yes, now let's move on to the external source. ಏನು external source? Okay, external source, see it's a 8 marks question student, was asked for 2019 question paper March ಗೆ. Okay, as there are total 9 sources, one we will discuss. First one is direct recruitment. First I will just tell you external source andre you are bringing employee, ಈಗ ಜಾಬ್ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. External andre you will bring somebody outside, new person you will bring, not already who is there in the company. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಓಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್? ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ 10 ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಏನಿದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ notice is placed in the notice board. Okay, like for example there is one company, okay, say it is a Dell company, it's a big company, okay, multinational company adu. Dell company, it needs employees, so what they will do, they will put a notice. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ read it, so everybody will come to know. In similar way ಆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ದ ನೋಟಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್, ಈ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಜಾಬ್ ಸೀಕರ್ಸ್, ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್, will come on one date. They will put the date also. If you want the job, please come on this date. So they will come, they will do the selection and the job is given. This is normally done for factories and all students. Okay, that companies and all, the such process is never done. This is mostly done for factories, this little middle class or little lower this job. Okay, factories are if they need people for this, you know, the transferring job, carrying luggage, baggage, those job adakke haktare, luggage carrying job and all. So what is done, a notice is placed on the notice board. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್, ಆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್, ವಿಚ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್, ದಿಸ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಸೀಕರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ಸಿ ದ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಆವಾಗ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಮಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ಜಾಬ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಗೇಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡೂ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೆನ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ನೀಡ್ 120 ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್. What they will do, a factory, they will put our notice board. Now in our college notice board is there, no? In similar way, in their notice board they will put what, so many workers we need, ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ದ ಜಾಬ್, ಈ ಜಾಬ್ ಸೀಕರ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Okay, yes. So this was direct recruitment. Next one we will see casual callers. What are these casual callers? Okay, here some qualified persons will visit the offices of reputed companies and apply for job on their own. Okay, here some qualified persons andre artha enu. One, for example, you are working already in a reputed company. Okay, you are very qualified, but somewhere you are not satisfied with the salary or maybe the work condition, something you want to go for another high salary, for another high post. So what you will do, you will go to one company, a reputed company, you will just go by your own and visit and apply. You will tell, I am looking for a job, if there is any vacancy please tell. Then since you are very qualified with good qualification, they will call you for the interview, and if you are really capable, your job will be given. It has happened, students. So in like company in areas like Bangalore, Bombay, people will be already working in some big companies, but still they want to go for in even higher post with high salary, with high facilities. So they just go walk in, they just go to the company and they just apply. If there is vacancy for this post, I will come for interview. So the company people, since that person is already qualified, already education, already qualification ಇದೆ, already experience ಇದೆ, so they will make an interview, then they will give. Okay, so this was casual callers. Once we know now direct recruitment and casual callers. Direct recruitment ಏನು, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಜಾಬ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ವೇಕೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ that date, selection is done. Casual callers here qualified, you are already qualified, you already have a good job with good salary, but still you want again higher, better salary. So you'll go and apply for a better company. You'll just tell them, if there is vacancy for this post, if there is interview, please call me. Okay, yes. Now let's see next one. Advertisements. ಏನಿದು advertisements? Okay, you are very familiar. Advertisement, you must have seen sometimes when you watch TV and all, down, like subtitle down, sometimes one message will be going on. They tell, if there is vacancy in such company, if you want please apply. Okay, similar way, now a company, there are many vacancies. Okay, so what that company will do, they will put advertisement in the newspapers or in the televisions, nowadays internet. Okay, and tell about the job, there is so much vacancies there, nature of the job, salary will give this much. Okay, so people will see the advertisement and they will apply for the job, and suitable candidate is selected. So what is advertisement? Simple age. See, you must have heard about this employment newspapers. It comes once in a week. I will recommend you all students to go through that newspaper. Once in a week ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದು. Okay, once in a week our employment newspaper will come. Yes, I think it is really pinkish color newspaper, like a big booklet. In that newspaper, all advertisement about the jobs will be there all over India. If there is any vacancies for job, government post, private post, any small jobs to big job, banks alli, army, okay, all, and even after 12th, after your degree. So it is always recommended for students to read that newspaper. I think it is just 20 rupees. Okay, so in such newspapers, journals, internet, you will find vacancies for job, nature of job, qualification, salary, remuneration, everything will be given. So if you are interested, you can apply in that. So this is one more method, is advertisements. So even in a local newspaper, local newspaper also it come, Udayavani, last page it will come. You all must have seen, I think. Okay, wanted teachers or plumbers, electricians, engineers. So that is one more method. So is that clear? Advertisement? Yes. Okay. Next one, employment exchanges. What is this employment exchanges? Yes. Employment exchanges are run by the government. Okay, government. So what here? Job seekers. And just imagine you need a job. Job seeker andre one who wants the job. You after your graduation you want job. So you job seeker will register their name with employment exchange. It is one of the office like government runs this office. So you can register your name. So what they do, they will keep your name there, and if there is any vacancy suitable for your qualification, they will tell you. Okay, it is always better to apply, students. Means government will have connection with the all the other companies, with the other departments. If there is any vacancies, they will tell you. You should apply for the interview, then hopefully if you are selected, you will get the job. What is employment exchange, students? It is office run by the government. Here job seekers andre you have to register your name. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ fees you should cut, okay, you should pay and register your name. Then if there is any vacancy suiting for your qualification, they will tell you. Okay, so far we saw now advertisement and employment exchange. Advertisement is easy, you have seen this. Udayavani newspaper last page you have seen, no? They will have some advertisement, wanted jobs. Yes, job companies in ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, they will do advertisement about their jobs, even for a college lecturer post also. Okay, you must see some PPC, there is vacancy, so we see the advertisement, then we apply. That's how we enter into jobs. Okay, banks, I just go once, you go refer to the employment newspaper, once in a week it comes. So entire newspaper is about jobs, where jobs, ಎಲ್ಲಿ qualification ಇದ್ದು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ. Okay, next one is employment exchange. It is an office run by the government. Okay, and you should register your name, job seekers. If there is any job suitable for your qualification with your demand, you will get the job. Okay, now next one is placement agencies and management consultants. What are these placement agencies and management consultants? These are similar to this employment exchange, but it is run by the private agencies. The government won't come, private agencies will run this. Yes, they will collect your biodata, okay, of many candidates, and they will recommend suitable candidate for the business. Yes, so what is done? See, it is similar to employment exchange. Okay, it is similar to employment exchange, but it is run by the private agencies, where they will collect biodata of large number of candidates. Biodata andre enu? Your name, your address, your qualification, your experience, okay, your interest, salary expectation, all they will collect, and they will give it to the business enterprise or the companies, those who are giving jobs. So adannu correct match ಮಾಡಿ they will give you jobs. Yes, it is similar, but private agency will take care of it. Government will not come here. Yes, okay. So what is the placement agencies and management consultants? It is first of all run by the private agency. It is private, nothing by government. They will collect the biodata of large number of candidates. ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ತುಂಬ ಜನರದ್ದು ಬಯೋಡೇಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಬಯೋಡೇಟಾಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೇಮ್, ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ವೇರ್ ಯು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ವೇರ್ ಯು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಯೋರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, your qualifications, your salary expectation, all that thing. Then they will recommend you to the company. Yes. Now the next one is campus recruitment. What is this campus recruitment? Okay, best example I will tell you, Manipal, MIT college. Okay, there it is a big institution, it's a big university, so there when students are in the final year, you must have heard about this campus selection aitu, job avnige campus selection aitu. Meaning is what? When they are in the final year, big reputed companies will come visit that university and they will tell, okay, what happens, big companies will come to that college, MIT college, and tell, we want some employees, so we will conduct an interview. So final year all the students will go and apply for that interview. Many will get selected. Every year there is, okay, in DOC college, Department of Commerce. So that's why always it is recommended to study in such institution where job is guaranteed, where companies, big companies come to offer jobs. Okay. Yes. So what is done here? Let's see. Campus interview. Interviews are conducted by business enterprise in reputed college and university. Yes, it is similar. Where what this, whenever the students are in the final year, this big institution will come and visit that university, and they will conduct an interview for qualified students. Those who pass the interview will get the job. Yes, so it is recommended to study in such university. Okay. Yes, so campus recruitment is done. Yes, where institution come and offer this, where business companies come to the institution, will conduct the interview and select the students. This is campus recruitment. I'll tell once again. You can keep an example of this Manipal MIT college, where when students are in the final year, big companies come and visit the universities and they tell final year students, okay, we will do interview. If you get selected after your final year, you are in the job. Okay. Yes. Now next one is recommendation of employees. Recommendation of employees is what? Here present employees can introduce application. Imagine you are already working in a company. Okay. So that company only one post is empty. Here you are present employee, you can only tell your boss, see, I have my friend who has good qualification, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, or my college mate, or I have my relative. ಹೀಗೆ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಮೈ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಚ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಗ್ತದಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ there is little of corruption, but not always. So recommendation of employees andre present employee who are already working, they will tell our one employee, ನನ್ನ friend, relative, or I know one person who can work well for that position anta. So recommendation of employee. Next one, labor contractor. What is this labor contractor? Yes, labor contractor is, that is these are contractors who will have close relationship with the organization or with the company, and they will provide large number of unskilled workers. Means ಈಗ ಒಂದು organization, okay, maybe your company, one company will have a close contact with the laborers. Yes, ಲೇಬರರ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇದೆ, ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಸೊ ಹೀ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್, ಸೆಮಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಜನರದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಯೋಡೇಟಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So company will tell, I want 2 employees. So contractor will tell, okay fine, I will provide. So ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, what is labor contractor? Here labor contractor will have close relationship with the company. Okay, whenever the company requires workers, they will provide them. I'll tell once again, labor contractors ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Employees of the organization. They will maintain close contacts with the labor contractors, and they will provide required number of unskilled workers. Okay, now you are having a company, you will maintain a close relationship with a labor contractor. avanu kuda one person. Now you are telling, I want 10 workers. So labor contractor, okay, I will provide, ಆದರೆ you have to pay him some commission. ಹಾಗೆ. Okay, yes. Now the last two, advertising on television. So it is advertising, jobs advertisement is done on the newspapers about the description of job is done. So, but it is done where? It is done on the television. Television alli they will tell advertisement and all come no. They will tell number of posts ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ empty ಇದೆ, they require people with this qualification, this much salary they will offer. Okay, and this is mostly popular in big cities. ನಮ್ಮ small cities ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, big Bombay, then Bangalore, such cities, Hyderabad and all. Okay, same advertisement ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಉದಯವಾಣಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಟೆಲಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಬೆಟರ್ people fast. Last one is web publishing. What is this web publishing? Okay, you all have heard about any websites like www.naukri.com? Yes, you all have heard like this, www. In internet you just put naukri.com. I'll tell the spelling, www.naukry.com ಬಂದ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ ಜಾಬ್ ವೇಕೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ nowadays certain websites are there for providing information about the jobs for the job seekers. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ, ಜಾಬ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. You are at home only, you can use your internet and just put this website www.naukri.com. All the jobs available in India, maybe it is in banks, maybe it is in commerce, maybe it is in medical, all jobs they will tell you. Okay, yes, so you can just try this. Okay, so people will see that website, they will apply for the job. Okay, so this was about external sources. Now just small merits and demerits we'll see. 1 marks question. Merits of merits of external source, yes, qualified employees are attracted. That because you are bringing a person from outside, that too qualified, you will do interview, you will see very correctly whether he is good or no. That's why qualified employees are attracted. Demerit, dissatisfaction among the existing employees. It is same, no? See, promotion ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಗೆ if you are already working in the company, higher ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಗೆ your chance is more to go for that high post. But if they are bringing external, if they are bringing somebody, a new person for that high post, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ? You will feel bad, no? Okay, you are understanding. Imagine you are working, you are assistant manager. Promotion ಆದರೆ you will become a manager. But the boss, what he does, company owner, for the manager post ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, they are bringing some new person. How will you feel? You will feel bad, no? So dissatisfaction among the existing employees. Okay, so last students, practical oriented questions ಇದೆ ಏನಂದರೆ, as a manager list 10 sources of recruitment to fill the vacancies in your organization. So all this 10 which I have mentioned, only names if you write is enough. Okay, direct recruitment, casual callers, advertisement, explanation not required for practical oriented question. Okay, thank you students.